Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. If you've been trying to go to live on TikTok but don't yet have 1,000 followers, there is actually a workaround using TikTok Studio. I tried this myself and it's surprisingly simple. First, open your preferred browser, search for TikTok Studio. Once you're on the official site, log in or sign up and connect your existing TikTok account. After connecting, TikTok Studio grants temporary access to the live feature, usually for about 2 weeks. This means you can go live even without reaching the usual 1,000 follower requirement. However, there's a catch. If you haven't reached 1,000 followers by the end of those 2 weeks, live streaming will no longer be available unless you meet that milestone. So the key is to use this window wisely and try to grow your followers fast. Once you hit 1,000 followers, going live becomes permanent. This method gives new creators a head start and a way to test content live even before building a full audience. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.